Hi, this is the overall demonstration of web service test utility. And you can see that you can invoke any web service from this one. We can see the components and we can generate different test cases. Let us see, this is a web service which you are going to invoke from this utility. That web service ends with ASMX, so it is a C# web service. So if we see this one, go button, then you can see there is only one service. And if you select the method, you can see it has two methods, Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. And if you want to see the parameters, this particular Fahrenheit to Celsius, you can see the parameters. There's only one parameter, Fahrenheit, which is in a string. And now we can give any value, just like maybe -40. So we can execute this one. And after execution, we can store the results in this file of components.xml, or we can change the name. Now if you press this execute button, it's going to execute that, and you can see the result here in this box. So from there we can see this is a different XML file and all the results are in XML format, and we can see the service name and the method name and the parameters. Parameter that is the input is -40, and the result is showing the value is -40 because we know -40 degree Fahrenheit means -40 degrees centigrade Celsius. So, and here from this one we can generate the test case. Now there are two buttons, test case in C# and test case in JUnit. If you press this one, you can see this test case is generated. This is a C# test case for this one. So we can talk about this test case in detail and how to run it, but you can see at a glance, this is a test case for C#. You can see that unit test is created, and after that we can see the test method, and in the test method there is some expected result and actual result, and it is doing assert are equal. And after running that, we can find out whether it is passing or failing. And similarly, we can generate the test case in JUnit. Just if we press the button, test case JUnit, we can see that. Now it is asking another question. What is the Java package? By default, it is a project 1, but we can change the package name. And this package name, we can find it from the WSDL file. So it is clearly written here. Default is project 1, but please check the WSDL, and it is in the section SOAP operation, SOAP action. And you don't have to include http:// and the operation name. Now we can see this is the project 1, and we can generate the JUnit test. Press this button. See, the JUnit test is generated here. You can see the whole JUnit test. And the instructions are given how to run this JUnit test. So, and how to run this JUnit test and how to run this C# test. Both instructions are given in this utility. And in the later demo, we can show it more. Now let us see run JUnit test case. So it is showing all the steps how to run JUnit test, and we can discuss about this one in the later demonstration. If we go back and if we go again test case.C#, you'll see again we can see that C# test case we can see, and then if you run C# test case, it will give the instruction how to run it, and in the next demo we are going to show this one. So this is the overall view of web service test utility.